Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, click here on settings down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you just click here on appearance, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on dark. So then here automatically it's going to change with you here to dark mode like you see on your Bluesky app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.